Welcome to my channel, a curiosity to know and
Today topic is airplane.
airplane part and function. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel.
I'm taking shit.
Fuselage. The plane's body, or fuselage, holds the aircraft together, with pilots sitting at the front of the fuselage, passengers and cargo in the back. Cockpit. A cockpit or flight deck is the area, usually near the front of an aircraft or spacecraft, from which a pilot controls the aircraft. The cockpit of an aircraft contains flight instruments on an instrument panel, and the controls that enable the pilot to fly the aircraft. Wing in aeronautics, an airfoil that helps lift a heavier than aircraft. When positioned above the fuselage, wings provide an unrestricted view below and good lateral stability. Wing is a type of fin that produces lift while moving through air or some other fluid. Accordingly, wings have streamlined cross sections that are subject to aerodynamic forces. Propeller or turbine engine. A jet engine is a type of reaction engine discharging a fast-moving jet that generates thrust by jet propulsion. While this broad definition can include rocket, water jet, and hybrid propulsion. Undercarriage of an aircraft or spacecraft that is used for takeoff or landing. For aircraft, it is generally needed for both.
I hope you enjoy the video. Please subscribe if you are new to my channel. Thank you.